All right, so we're doing more red removal on our Rubicon. So we're getting rid of the red Trora rated badge for this gloss black and matte black finish one. Check that out. So we picked this up from the dealership parts store. For some reason, whatever trim this is, it had a nub on the back to fit in like a alignment hole. My fenders don't have a hole for that, so I had to grind mine down with a Dremel. Not a big deal, I've had it do this before. Works out fine. So let's head out to the garage and I'll get it installed now. Obviously I already have mine removed. To remove it, you just heat it up, get some fishing line or something and just go behind it, take it off, and then you'll remove the adhesive that's left over on it. So simple as that, peel the back off, find the center, and just kind of stick it on, and that's it. It looks great. Check it out. Hopefully this helps you when you want to customize your vehicle or change out your Trora rated badge. Like the video if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.